RYOBI 18-volt lithium edge batteries, powered by tabless cell technology, deliver efficient energy transfer by removing bottlenecks, improving energy flow, while IntelliCell electronics maximize performance for increased power and even longer run times. More power through tough materials, more runtime and cooler battery temperatures for extended use during the most demanding jobs. And with faster recharge times, you can turn your to-do list into an all-done list, giving you the power to do even more. 18-volt lithium edge batteries, part of the RYOBI One Plus system. Only at the Home Depot.